see you. I wanna see you. Open the eyes, Lord.
Open the eyes of my heart, Lord.
Open my eyes.
Open the eyes of my heart.
I want to see you. I wanna see you. Over the mountains and the sea, your river runs with love for me. And I will open up my heart and let the healer set me free. I'm happy to be in the truth, and daily I will lift my hands. I will always think of when your love came down. I will sing.
I will sing of your love forever.
I will sing.
I will sing of your love forever.
I will sing of your love, your love.
Forever.
I will sing.
Sing of your love forever.
Oh, you deserve the glory and the honor as we lift our hands in worship, as we lift our hands in praise. You deserve
Deserve the glory
and the honor, Jesus.
and honor.
As we lift our hands to
Lift
you,
our hands in worship.
as we lift our hands in praise,
Lift our hands.
you deserve, only you deserve,
Deserve the glory
and the honor, Lord.
and honor.
Come let us
Come let us adore you.
kneel down.
Kneel down before you.
Yeah. Worship and adore.
Worship and adore you.
Oh, to the G.
Come let us adore
Kneel down.
you. Kneel down before you.
I know you want to cha-cha right there.
Worship and adore you.
Come on.
Oh, come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Praise the Lord. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. This is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and our souls felt his word. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder break a new and glorious morn. Oh, fall on our knees. Oh, hear the angels' voices. Oh, now
hallelujah.
Oh, yeah.
And for this, I give you praise. Ooh. For waking me up this morning, for starting me on my way, for letting me see the sunshine of a brand new day.
That's why I praise.
Along with each new day.
That's why I praise you.
Lord, that's why I praise you.
For this, I give you praise.
Christmas time. Christmas should be a happy time, joyous for you and for me. But there's not much happiness for those that are living on the streets. We have our gifts and toys and trees and festive family dinner spreads. But what about the homeless child who'd be satisfied with a morsel of bread? Christmas brings joy and cheer to all of those who have, no doubt. Our lavish gifts and decorative trees and twinkling lights inside and out. But to the child that has no home, their fate may be uncertain. Their joy is held hostage, trapped behind life's curtain. We have the power to share God's love to many far and near. All it takes is for us to care enough to spread his joy and cheer. Christmas can impel selfishness from those who will not see. The thousands of those that receive no food or toys or even a tree. Yes, we may throw a token or give a bag for a one-day treat. But what happens the rest of the year to relieve hunger and cover bare feet? Will we continue year in and year out to think not of our others' tight spots, considered only from our view to be the haves or the haves not? Please look around you and you'll see no need to look very far. So many people and families we can help to bring a little joy. Are we not our brother's keeper, as in Genesis 4:9? Or will we lie as Cain did and be cursed for all time?